Now that you've got a taste of a comparison between classical machine learning and deep learning, it is a good moment to dive in more details about deep learning, trying to help you understand better what actually deep learning is. So the first thing we should understand is that all the context that is around machine learning and deep learning has started a number of decades ago with the higher concept of artificial intelligence. And that was kind of chronologically the first major field to catch the attention of both academia and practitioners. And the initial goal of AI in the 1950s and 1960s was very ambitious in a sense that it aimed to create machines that act and think like humans. And it took quite a while to realize that this ambition was hindered by lack of computing resources, lack of mathematical models. So a few decades later, focus has significantly shifted from this broad area that we call artificial intelligence to a more narrow focused set of problems, which is in this particular case, the problem of learning without explicit programming. And while this field had several names through the years, it has settled today to being named machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating programs that are capable of learning without explicit instruction. Now, within the algorithms and within the approaches that are used by machine learning models, in time, several of those classes of algorithms have emerged. And those were taking different approaches to solve different classes of problems. Now, inspired from the organization of the human brain, neural nets were initially intensely studied as part of ML. But unfortunately, due to the lack of necessary hardware resources, the area was pretty much abandoned. But then, around the year 2000, fueled by the explosive development of proper hardware, like, for example, GPU, graphical processing units, the field of neural networks came back. And all of a sudden, highly complex neural networks with large numbers of hidden layers, with large numbers of nodes, were in the grasp of data scientists, hence the name deep in deep learning. So at the end of the day, what you should understand and remember is that deep learning refers to a special class of machine learning algorithms that are based on artificial neural networks. And machine learning is a subset or a subdiscipline of the wider discipline which is called artificial intelligence.